Very good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about
Good morning, sir.
very relevant topic. We are going to discuss learning management system. Yes, we are going to discuss learning management system which has been developed by Indira Gandhi University, Mirpur, Rewari. Today everyone facing problem due to COVID-19. Everyone working from their home, they are doing their work on online, and you are also attending your class from your home through online mode. So uh, keeping these things in mind, we have faced a challenge. What kind of challenge? We are facing a challenge, that is to learn how to learn online, how we can have best methods, how we can adopt best methods to online teaching. So, senior professor and senior faculty member of Indira Gandhi University and throughout the world, they created a system for the managing learning, how to manage learning systems. That is why it is known as learning management system. We have developed learning management systems in Indira Gandhi University. So, in this video, we will discuss about the how to operate learning management system, which has been developed by the Indira Gandhi University. So, we will discuss about how to use the learning management system. I'm sharing my screen with you so that you can have the familiarity about learning management system. Before uh, going on the learning management system, I would like to mention here what will be the website for learning management system. You have to find out the website for learning management system, that is edu.igu.ac.in. This is our learning management website. What is that? edu.igu.ac.in. Okay, this one you can see on the screen. Yes, it's opening, and one by one we will discuss these steps on learning management system. Before going to discuss, you just write or just understand what is actual site name. What is that? It is edu.igu.ac.in. Okay, this is visible to you. Yes, this is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is our home page of learning management system. This is our home page. You can find many courses on this platform. This is our university platform of learning management system. You can find the course details, whatever course are running in Indira Gandhi University. Okay. Before going into detail, you just search the course category. You can see UTD, University Teaching Department. These courses are offered by the University Teaching Department of Indira Gandhi University. Okay, you can find the name of your course here after visiting this website edu.igu.ac.in. Okay, you can find the detail of your course. You are belong to psychology department, so you need to find out the psychology course. Where it is? Can you see that? Yes, you can see the course psychology. Just click on that. You will find the course detail. MSc Psychology, University Teaching Department offer MSc Psychology course. Here are the details about the semesters. First semester, second semester, and third semester, and fourth course. What are the course content in first semester? You can see the detail of course content here. Foundation elective course, self-study paper, seminar, computer application in psychology, practical, social psychology, experimental psychology, historical and theoretical foundation of psychology. So these are the course content of first semester for the MSc Psychology. So you all belong to MSc third semester, so you need to focus on only third semester. So visit on third semester, go back, psychology, MSc, third semester. Yes, there are details about the third semester. In third semester, you will find open elective course MOOC paper. In your syllabus, there is a one paper which is elective in nature. This one. You have to find a course on UGC SWAM portal. You have to register for that. This course will be online basis, and university will provide a coordinator for this course. One of faculty member from the Department of Psychology will be the coordinator of this course. You need to register in MOOC course on online basis, which is offered by the different IIT, different university, different colleges. This is independent work you have to do. Okay. Next paper you will find the self-study, seminar, stress and anxiety management. You will find the detail about stress and anxiety management. Who will teach and uh, who is going to teach you that particular paper. You can see the Dr. Sandeep is teaching or will teach this paper. And next, you will find the social psychology, school psychology, sorry, practical psychology of individual difference, which will be taught by Dr. Satish Kumar, and industrial and organization psychology, and then psychological assessment. So these are the course detail on learning management. Now, what is your role in this learning management system? What you have to do? आपको क्या करना है इस पे? What you what is actual role of the students in learning management system. आपको क्या करना है इसमें? You will find the details on this website, and your university or department will provide an email ID for that. You will be allotted an email ID to enter on this online platform. Okay, suppose if you will click on the course details, then a login ID will come in front of you. Login ID will come in front of you. University will provide you the login ID for this online platform, and how you will enter in this I will show you in this. Okay, this is my email ID, and I will have to fill the details, and same you need to fill also. Yes, we have logged in on this platform. Now, what is actual work for the student here? You will find the announcement of the course. What are the announcements here for the students? For example, you can find out the other course details. Industrial and Organization Psychology, which is my paper. I will teach you this paper. On the website, you will find the announcements. What are the announcements for this Industrial and Organization Psychology for the students? I can announce anything for the students. I can announce anything for the student. I can put some questions on that. I have written a question on that. What is industrial and organization psychology? Students need to answer this. Students need to answer this. You can reply on this. You can write the answer online. Okay. So this will be the announcement for students. We can have a discussion on any topics on this platform. There are many things through which we can learn, or students can learn from any of the methods. For example, I can add a topic for assignments. Assignments for industrial and organizational psychology. I can add the topic's name of every student. Second, I can recommend some of the books, as I have recommended books, Air Force, Industrial and Organization Psychology. I can also take attendance here. So there are many things on this platform. I can edit this setting also. So our aim of this lecture was to familiarize you so that you can get this familiarity about learning management system. Okay, this was the objective of this lecture. You can also find out the psychological assessment paper details. What are the course content of it? What are the? I can also show some of the glossary. Anything I can add on it. Anything I can add on it. Let me do some practice on it. Or I can add an activity for the students. For that, I have to click on add an activity or resource. I'm clicking on that. I'm adding an activity or resource for the student. I'm adding an activity or resource for the student. Yes. In this box, you will find many things. What I want to add, you will find assignments, attendance, many things. Book, chat, choice, database, many things. I can also add quiz. I can also add workshop detail here. There are many things. File, feedback of the student. For example, I want to add the feedback of the student. What I want in your feedback. Anything, for example, about the class. Feedback, feedback about the class. What was the topic and how it is relevant for the students, how it is relevant for the students. For example, I have created feedback about the class, what was the topic and how it is relevant for students. This is the feedback which I have written on or which have added on this. I can add many things which I want. Yes, I have added one feedback for the student of psychological assessment. What was the topic and how it is relevant for students. I will, I can find out the answers which you have mentioned over here. Till now it is not, it is showing 0. So after your feedback, I will see many things here. I can edit questions, I can analyze, I can show response. So many things I can add on this course. Okay, so this is learning management system. It is very relevant, or it is very helpful for the students, because every student are from attending from their home. They know they should be familiarized with the online management system. Any questions you want to ask, you can ask. If you want to ask any questions from this topic, you are most welcome to ask. किसी को कोई पूछना है इसमें? Yes. Any query? Any query which you want to ask, you can ask
No.
one by one. आपको इसमें कुछ समझ में आया कि ये क्या था, इसके बारे में था, कैसे आपको ऑपरेट करना है? हमने इस वीडियो में और इस लेक्चर में हमने क्या बात की कि हमें लर्निंग मैनेजमेंट जो सिस्टम है वो कैसे चलाना है, उस पर हम कैसे काम कर सकते हैं, क्या क्या उसमें फैसिलिटी है। दिस वाज जस्ट ब्रीफ अबाउट दी लर्निंग मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम। ये हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी का है, अपना लर्निंग मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम है, और उसको हमने यूज करना है। We will apply this platform for our daily classes, daily online classes. ठीक है? So this is all about the learning management system. जैसे ही आपकी ईमेल आईडी आपको मिल जाएगी, उसके बाद आप इसमें एंटर कर सकते हैं। ठीक है? ओके बच्चों?
Yes, sir.